Hello students, I am Sneha from Badidasnar Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. Students, do you love cricket? Yes? Then tell me, who's your favorite cricket player? Raina? Dhoni? Okay, enough. You people can know who is said to be God of cricket. Yes? Yes, Sachin Tendulkar is said to be God of cricket. So, in this story, one cute little boy Raju, when he saw the most famous cricket player Sachin Tendulkar. Let us see. So, our title of the story is Raju's Hero, which means the cute little boy's hero. So, it indicates about this boy's hero. Now, let us see who is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is a former cricket player, which means old cricket player, and also he is an international cricket player and also head of the Indian national team, which means captain of the Indian national team, and he inspired by Sunil Gavaskar. Sunil Gavaskar. Sunil Gavaskar. So Sachin Tendulkar inspired by Sunil Gavaskar. That inspiration makes him to play cricket and it made him as a great cricket player, and he got many awards. So some of his famous awards are Arjuna Award, in 1994. Then Padma Shri, in 1999, and Padma Vibhushan in 2008. So Sachin Tendulkar got many awards. Some of his famous awards are Arjuna Award, Padma Shri and Padma Vibhushan. Okay, then some of the famous newspaper called him as a cricket wizard and genius. Cricket wizard. Students, what is meant by cricket wizard? Yes, which means legend. Cricket wizard means legend, and genius. What is meant by genius? Which means intelligent. So, some of the famous newspapers called him as a cricket wizard and genius. Okay, cricket wizard means legend and genius means intelligent. Now, students, now answer for my question. How did the newspaper describe Sachin Tendulkar? Yes, some of the newspapers called him as a cricket wizard and genius. Now, let us move on to the story. But before, shall I have one question? Students, did you ever sit in the same position for many hours due to any injury? Yes? No? But in this story, this cute little boy Raju was sitting in the same position for many hours due to his leg injury, and he is placing his leg, which means he is keeping his leg in a stool, and his leg were fully covered by plaster. Okay, so he is keeping his leg in a stool and his leg were fully covered by plaster. What is meant by plaster? A type of material. Then his mother advised him to watch the cricket match live on the TV when she goes to the kitchen. Now, but Raju didn't accept his mother's advice. He was still upset because he actually wants to watch the cricket match live at the cricket stadium. What is meant by cricket stadium? Which means cricket ground. So Raju actually wants to watch the cricket match live at the cricket stadium. So he was very upset. But Raju's father and his elder brother Renju was getting ready to watch the cricket match live at the cricket stadium without Raju. So Renju was his elder brother. Before they leaving, Renju prepared some popcorn and chocolate cakes to Raju just to cheer up Raju, and also he promised that he will get autograph from Sachin Tendulkar. Then they left. Now, answer for my question, was Renju a caring brother? Yes, Renju was a caring brother because he always cheer up Raju. Now, after they left, Raju enjoyed Renju's snacks, but he was still upset. He actually wants to remove his DK plaster, which means rotten plaster. Kettu pona oru plaster. So he wants to remove the rotten plaster. He was still upset. Now, the match between the India and Australia, India won the match by scoring 200 runs and 2 important wickets by Sachin Tendulkar. But the bad thing is Sachin Tendulkar get injured in his arm. While he tried to catch the ball, he get injured in his arm. Then he left from the match. On hearing this, Raju felt very sad because he is a great fan of Sachin Tendulkar. So he is very upset. All the newspapers were announced that Sachin is not going to play for next 2 weeks due to his unwell. So Raju felt very bad and he prayed for Sachin's wellness. Now, students, answer for my question, how many runs did Sachin score? Yes, 200 runs and 2 important wickets had Sachin scored. One day what happened, Raju's mother and Raju went to hospital for Raju's treatment. There, Raju's behind. The man asks Raju that he loves cricket or not. Raju answered immediately that he loves cricket very much and also he wants to be like Sachin Tendulkar. Then the man laughed and went, but Raju couldn't see the man. Students, any guess? Do you think who was the man behind the Raju was? Yes? Yes, you people, right. Sachin Tendulkar was the man behind the Raju was. By seeing Sachin Tendulkar, all of them literally shocked. They just gasped, which means tongue-tied. So they were literally shocked to see Sachin Tendulkar, and they both chatted for long time. Raju and Sachin Tendulkar chatted for long time, and Raju asked for an autograph by Sachin Tendulkar, and he signed this autograph in Raju's plaster. Then he left. Raju felt very happy by seeing Sachin. Now, answer for my question, why did Raju ask autograph from Sachin? Because he is a great fan of Sachin Tendulkar. Yes, so that his friends can believe Raju. For that's why he asked autograph from Sachin. Now Raju plaster was removed. Every morning Raju looked Sachin's autograph before he left for school. Thus the story is. Now students, let us see glossary words. So what does mean by fit getting? Fit getting, which means moving restlessly. Moving restlessly. We can't move, so that is called fit getting. And what is mean by live? An event. An event. When it is heard. When it is heard or seen. Heard or seen while it's happening. Called live. So live is an event when it's heard or seen while it's happening, called live. Then what is mean by telecast? Which means television. Television broadcast. What does mean by telecast? Which means television broadcast. Now students, what does mean by gasp? Gasp, which means caught breath. Caught breath due to an astonishment. Astonishment in the sense shock. Astonishment means shock. So gasp means caught breath due to an astonishment. Now tongue-tied. What does mean by tongue-tied? Which means unable to speak. So tongue-tied means unable to speak. Now, students, I hope you all understood this lesson. So, keep revising it and also see the description box. We have attached all the study materials, question banks and self-assessment. Make it useful. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.